Welcome back to Discover Agriculture. Today, we're exploring the exciting world of legal medicinal marijuana farming. With cannabis being legalized for medical use in many places, agriculture is changing fast. Let's dive into how to grow this amazing plant for medicinal purposes. Before starting, it's important to know the laws about medicinal marijuana farming in your area. Research local regulations, get the necessary permits, and understand any restrictions. Marijuana needs specific conditions to grow well. Factors like temperature, humidity, light, and soil are crucial. You can grow it indoors, outdoors, or in a greenhouse, each with its own pros and cons. Choose the best method and create the right environment for your plants. Sustainable farming is key. Using eco-friendly practices like organic fertilizers, pest management, and water conservation not only helps the environment, but also improves the quality of your marijuana. When the plants are ready, timing is crucial for harvesting. After harvesting, the marijuana must be dried, cured, and trimmed carefully to preserve its medicinal properties. Legal medicinal marijuana farming combines agriculture, science, and healthcare, offering relief to many people. By following these steps, growers can responsibly and ethically cultivate this valuable plant. As acceptance of cannabis grows and more research is done, the future looks bright for medicinal marijuana farming. Whether you're experienced or just starting, approach this with passion and care. Until next time, happy farming!